How to fix KB5030310 failed to install with error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And this Windows Update error code. To fix this issue, go to Windows Settings. Under System Settings, go to Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This is the first workaround to fix this issue, and try to install or Windows latest KB5030310 update. And if your problem is exist, then go to the next fixes. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog and install Windows Update manually. Microsoft Update Catalog, open it and look for your KB update. Type in search box KB5030310 and search. Now under result, manually download Windows updates from Microsoft Update Catalog. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to run command box by pressing Win+R shortcut key and here type ms configuration and clean boot your system. System configuration window will open. Here go to services, check hide all Microsoft services and disable all. Thereafter go to boot section and boot option save boot and apply and OK and try to install your Windows latest update. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute first DISM tool to scan health, check health and restore health. Execute these three commands one by one in command prompt Windows followed by enter key on each times. After that, execute sfc scan now command to check any corrupted file system. It may be a cause of update failed to install in your system. After that, restart your system and